okay, baby. They're gonna get it. He just doesn't understand that they're helping it. Wow, how bad did it hook it?
It's wrapped.
Oh. Is it just caught in the line now? Or did you get the hook off? Is it bleeding or is that just... Yay! Wait, I need to make sure it's not bleeding. Well, he was bleeding. Are you okay?
Yes, say thank you.
Fine. 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 Are you okay, baby?
It's okay, buddy.
He's bleeding.
Okay. He's like, God, that was traumatizing.
I know.
Poor little guy, they got you free. He's good.
Bleeding. That's the only thing.
Where's he bleeding?
On his, what do you call it?
Down here. That's his word.
He should be okay. Totally okay. Where is it? I just lost. Are you okay? I can't see. Am I videoing it? I can't even see it. Am I got it in the video? You okay? They freed you. They helped you.